Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to cook this boiling shrimp recipe, so let's get started. So these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. So first what I did, I cut the corn and I put it to boil. These are the potatoes that I'm going to be boiling after the corn. So I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients that I use in this recipe. And also for the butter, I didn't have any more this packet of butter, so I got the big bucket, but usually I only put 2 packets of butter. For the black pepper, the salt, and the lime, it's gonna be for a dip that we're gonna use when we're eating the shrimp. So the shrimp was frozen, so what I did, I just put it under cold water for a couple of minutes until it was ready. Then I washed it and I put it on the side. After the potato and the corn was ready, I did change the water and I started putting all the ingredients together before I put in the shrimp. So after I was done putting all the shrimp and the ingredients, I did let it boil for 5 minutes. Then after that, I put in the potatoes and the corn. And I didn't include this, but I did do white rice. And usually how we eat it, it's white rice and the boiling shrimp. And this will be all for this recipe. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you.